Hello friends! In today's video, we are going to be working on this little slice of the backyard. I attempted to beautify it earlier in the summertime and the flowers were looking great, the plants were looking fine. However, it's been so hot and I've become so pregnant that things have gone awry, as you can tell. I'm going to be incorporating a plant stand that I thrifted back in the early spring, as well as a bird bath that my sister gifted to me. And although I think she said she dropped it and it shattered, I'm grateful she knows me well enough that I would absolutely still use it. So I glued all the pieces together. There was one piece that was missing that we just filled in with some caulk, and it's been hanging out here in the backyard and things are looking good. It's holding water, so we're going to use it. We're also going to buy some new fresh flowers because I'm really going for a colorful, vibrant scape back there. We're going to start the project by repotting some plants, planting our new flowers, and some flowers that I purchased a couple of weeks ago, and I'm finally getting into pots. This little gardenia bush, along with a few pansy flowers, are some of the ones that I bought a couple of weeks ago and just didn't have time to put in yet. So they were looking a little fried, a little in need of some TLC. So that's absolutely what we're doing here. I love using things that I already have, and I have an ample amount of pots laying around. I also just have other random garden or decorative objects, so you're going to see me incorporate a lot of that into today's project. If you don't know, I love color and my favorite color is blue. I wanted to try out this Bear spray paint. That electric blue grabbed my eye. There's also some of that color in the bird bath, so I figured it would complement things nicely without being too matchy-matchy. This little section of the yard is actually a hill, so there's a slight raise towards the right. So everything kind of leans forward or was a little wobbly. So I am fixing that with some bricks that we have from the backyard, as well as some river rocks that I had for a craft project from last summer.